Hey everybody, it's Jennifer from JStar Designs, and I have a really busy week this week. I'm getting ready to teach at Stitches United in Hartford, Connecticut on March 23rd through the 25th. And I have a booth in the market, so I'll be setting that up Wednesday or Thursday morning, depending how my schedule goes. And I'm also working on some new samples for my new tank top pattern hack class, which is going to be super exciting. So if you guys are local and you're coming to Stitches United, I will be so excited to see you. So I wasn't really planning any videos this week, but I was whipping out the serger to sew up some samples, and my antenna on my serger has been very jiggly for a while, and I've sort of been ignoring it because I didn't want to deal with figuring out how to fix it, because I tried to screw it in. You know, I righty-tightied it to death and didn't tighten it. So I decided to investigate. So I thought this could make a really fun, quick video if anybody else has this problem with a jiggly antenna on their Ovation, Baby Lock Ovation, probably any of the Baby Locks, I'm guessing. The other thing about the Ovation is it has this second row of spool stands that clips on, and I get questions about how you take that on and off, so I thought I would show you that as well. So the first thing I want to tackle is explaining how this is jiggly and how to tighten it. So because I couldn't righty tighten it by turning it, I realized there were two screws, and the screws are right in these holes here and here, and I've actually already unscrewed them. It's a little Phillips head screw driver, so I'm just going to lift this off, okay? And then if you look on the bottom, you can see there's a little screw right there. So basically, to tighten this, all you need to do is tighten that one screw. So I'm going to righty tighten it. And I want to make sure that my antenna is facing the way I need it to face when it's actually tightened. So let me just tighten that. I'm using the wrong kind of screwdriver. I should have a Phillips, but I didn't want to take the time to look for it. So this is working. All right, so now that's tight. You can now see that this is not flailing all over the place. So I'm much happier. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick this back on the back of the machine, and you can see over here there's two little holes right here. That's what you line up these screws. Just going to put one in, and I'm just going to tighten it a little bit, and then I'm going to get the second one, and I'm going to make sure that one's seated in there before I tighten them both down again. All right, so see, now my back thing is on securely, and this is not flopping around, which makes me really happy. So I can raise this now and not have it teetering all over the place like it was before. Okay, so that's on there solid now. All right, now the second thing I want to show you is, see these little clamps right here? That's what you stick in these little holes. Now, to get them to go in easy, you squeeze them together, and they go in really easily. See how nice that went on, nice and easy? To get them off, you just squeeze and lift up, and it comes right off. Okay, so squeeze the little clamps and stick them on, the little things. Okay, now it's on, see? And then squeeze up near the top where they are and lift up, and it comes right off. All right, so that's how you take this on and off, and that's how you tighten your antenna. So that's my quick little 5-minute video for this week. If I have time to do anything else, maybe Facebook Live at Stitches United, watch for that on my JStar Designs Facebook page. So that's what I have planned for this week. I will tell you, I'm very excited because I'm going to start doing streaming, and I'll be able to stream on YouTube, and I'll be able to stream in my Facebook group because I've been having some trouble using my phone. So starting next week, I'm going to be doing more streaming, and because you know, I can stream and I'll have 2 different camera angles, I may actually just spend some time showing you what I'm working on. So like not even an official lesson, just like, you know, kind of what's going on in the studio. So look forward to that, because that's going to be something fun and new I'm doing. Must be getting close to dinner time because my puppy dog came in. You want to come and sup and say hi? Come here. This is Maggie. She's very cute. So I think I have to go feed her dinner now and then continue on with my lessons. All right, so I think I have to go feed them dinner now because they never come in here unless they're dying to eat dinner. But in any case, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you again really, really soon.